we're recording.
Okay, awesome. So, hi everyone. So today we're doing our story writing workshop. To start off, I'm Amy Vonderschwanen, and I will be the Agile customer for the session. I will let the other members of the group introduce themselves.
I'm Greg.
And he'll be a developer.
Oh, sorry.
You know.
I'm just Greg. I'm just here.
It's all right. Greg's got an eye thing going on, so.
I'm Sahil Shah, and I'm a developer as well.
I'm Nahida Ratna, and I'll be working as a developer.
And I'm Shane Tyson, and I'll be also working as a developer.
Awesome. So I guess he had said to narrow it down just to the two roles, right? The chef and admin, right?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Would that be two trees then? Like two different trees, like one for the chef and one for the admin?
Honestly, I'm not 100% sure.
I think that makes sense. We can play it as we go.
Yeah, we can always just move it around if anything.
Yeah. Text box in here. Okay. Where do you want to start, Amy? Homepage?
Yeah, let's start there.
Just be underlined. Good.
And just confirm with the user stories, right? We need the as a and then description of a user I want, and then functionality so that, and then benefit, right?
Yeah.
In terms kind of formatting and whatnot.
Yeah. As yeah, exactly. As the what would be user, I would want to, so I can, and like all that goes into these notes here.
Okay, awesome.
And then under here, under your home page would be your subheadings. So this would be, I guess, like, I don't know what you guys are thinking. Like it basically be like, what do you want to see on your home page, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I was looking at some examples and stuff online, and one of them is like for chef, for example, title, submit recipe. So it'd be like, as a chef, I want to like submit my own recipes
Right.
with like ingredients, instructions, so on, so I can share my recipes with the recipe share community.
Yep.
So
Do you
on.
think that would be on the home page, or would that be a sub page afterwards?
I guess it kind of depends. Like,
Because you could always go, I'm just a suggestion here.
yeah, no.
Homepage that would lead into your recipe search page. And then after like your recipe search page would be something like search results page.
Mm-hmm.
Just my thought anyway.
Yeah, because then there's also like the recipe collection that you can view.
Yeah,
as well.
exactly. Yep.
And then how about something like this week's most viewed recipe or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you
that's
think,
fine.
Amy?
I like that. Yeah, no, that's good. especially since we're trying to make it like community based.
So, like favorites. What did you call it, Sahil? Like favorites?
Top recipe of the week, I guess.
Top recipe of the week. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that sounds like something you'd want to see on the main page. What else we want to see on this page, people? Oh, I want to spell recipe right too. All right, Amy, what are you thinking?
So for the home page. I don't really know what else for the homepage. Does anyone else have any ideas?
Did we talk about last time, like some kind of like, if your family member and another family member has the app, like some kind of system for adding as friends or something? Because if that's the case, we could do something like recent activity from friends list or something like that.
Would that be part of your favorites page? Or would you put it right on the main page?
I guess it depends like how specific and like technical you want to be with it. I feel like technically both could show up. One is just like a top recipe, like overall on the app, whereas the other one would be like what people in your community are sharing.
What would you call it? Like community recipe, family recipe?
Let me check because I do remember talking about it. So I'm just gonna go through the file or document to see if we specified.
Would this be something like a user targeted suggestion for a recipe? Like it would be different for different users, something like that.
Yeah, like it'd be tied into your favorites kind of thing, like your community.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Yeah, I think so.
You know, like
yeah, because then you would have the top recipe would be just overall, and then one that's your favorites or something like that.
like a favorite community scroll bar or something. Top communities.
Yeah,
Anyone
that
got it?
works.
Top community. If anyone comes up with a better name, I'm up all for it.
Yeah, we can always go back and change it.
True that.
And then one other idea would be maybe a last viewed or something like that. Because I'm thinking, because it's a phone app, right? Like you
Yeah.
Or
might,
like last viewed, like recently
Yeah,
viewed.
yeah, because you might have a recipe that you're like, oh, I want to use this later, and then your phone dies, right?
Recent viewed. What else would you see on a home page? I think you'd want to see a recipe search bar. So you can actually search things.
Mhm.
Maybe a navigation bar, if you will, like just like it has like whatever next pages we have.
Yep. Would you say this application has ads? Like, would you see ads on the first page?
Yeah, probably because we put that we're funded by ads, I believe.
Makes sense.
Yeah,
Ads.
well, we even had like a marketer and
Yeah,
ad
true.
thing for that. Yeah.
I guess
so-
we gotta kind of include it. Have anything else? Oh, here. This might help us out a bit. I forgot about this. I did a wireframe today because I had a little extra time. So just so you can kind of visualize what it looked
Mhm.
like
No, it's really helpful.
I guess with this, I can move this up and add a second scroll bar for what you suggested there too, right?
Mhm.
Kind of like a navigation bar,
Mhm.
similar. I can tweak her though. Sorry, going back. What do you think, Amy? Think of anything else?
Nothing really for the homepage.
You thinking we're good there? Okay.
Yeah, because everything else I'm kind of looking at would be like reviews and rating recipes
Okay.
or editing them, sort of thing. Does anyone else have anything for the homepage?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, looks good to me.
All good.
Mahita, anything from you?
No.
Okay.
All good. Okay. Might have put a text box. This guy. He's a little easier. Okay. It's probably not big enough for you guys to see. Still better. Okay. I'll start typing, Amy. You just let me know what you want. Oh, my cat lock's on. There he goes.
It's okay. I was gonna say you're really throwing me off there.
Feel free to stop me. I was just looking at a paper while I was talking or typing. As a user, sorry, move this guy to your way too. I guess would take to per keyword recipe searches.
Mhm.
Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
As one of them anyway.
Yeah, would we like you leave it as user or would we use chef as the
You want to
role?
put chef?
I'm just
Makes
asking
sense.
just because that's what he specified, like just change it just to chef and admin.
Chef
I don't
admin.
know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Totally up to you guys.
No, good
Yeah,
catch.
works for me.
Okay. What else do we want to do? So,
Sorry, I'm just thinking.
you know what I can put here too? Be like a separate note. Like the search. Oh. Keyword search, would that be like would you think it'd be like a Boolean operator or like a Boolean string operator combination?
So are we doing like a toggle for keyword search?
Yeah, so like if you're like to do the keyword search, like would it be like a Boolean or would you need it to be a string with a Boolean?
I think least with a string, just because it depends what they're searching. Like, is it like pizza? Is it a specific
up string.
ingredient?
Yeah. Get more specific.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, because they could be searching different types of things, right? Like even like
Yeah.
vegetarian, vegan, different ingredients.
Absolutely. Okay. I would also. What else we got here? Not trying to make you by my scrolling. um. Access the library. Recipes shared by my community.
Yeah.
If it doesn't sound right, just let me know.
I get what you mean. We can always just go and change it as we
Okay.
keep adding stuff.
Nahida has something in the chat.
Oh,
Sorry, Nahida, I can't see it.
It's a
Um,
very general one.
she said,
Nothing
as a
serious.
chef, she said, as a chef, I want to save my favorite recipes in the virtual recipe box so that I can access them quickly whenever I need them.
Oh, I like it.
It's a very general one.
That's good. It works.
What was it? Access my virtual recipe box.
Yeah, I want to save my favorite recipes in the virtual recipe box so that I can access them quickly whenever I need them.
All right, guys, you got to deal with my slow typing.
That's okay.
I am not the secretary, that's for sure.
I'm no better.
Why I became a programmer, man. Okay. What else you guys think?
Um,
Well, I guess we checked off search one. Checked off. Guess that's kind of navigation bar. To see recipes. Trying to say something like I want to see recipes that match like your favorite type of stuff, you know what I mean?
mm-hmm.
Just trying to find a good way to say it.
Match my preferences or something.
Yeah, something like that. That sounds
Mhm.
good. Please match my preference.
I wonder, just off that, another idea for the homepage might be a suggested based off previous searches or something like that, or previous favorites or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like a recommended based off previous searches or ones you've rated highly or something.
Yeah.
Would that be in with recent viewed or would it be something separate?
I would say
I think it might be separate.
recent viewed is just like something that you personally clicked on last.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
What
well,
did you
Not
wanna
necessarily
call it?
something you liked though.
What'd you-
Suggested based off previous favorite.
User activity.
Yeah, based off
Mhm.
previous user activity. Yeah.
Yes, user activity. One underneath it.
Because think of it like Netflix, right? Like you would have what you like continue watching, so what you previously viewed,
Mhm.
as well as based off what you viewed before, a
Mhm.
suggested thing, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
because you watched this.
Yeah.
That makes sense. What do you guys feel like on this? Do we need more in the notes or?
No, I think
Looks
we
good to
should
me.
be okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we can always come back to it if we need to.
Yeah. I think that's good for now.
Okay, so I guess here, I'm gonna steal this back. This guy goes down here. Okay. Okay. Page resist. Like search results. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense, right? Like search results page next.
Yeah.
Yep. No, that makes sense.
Okay. As a chef, what do you want to see on the search results page?
Uh,
How specific
Probably-
are we wanting to be? Like as a chef, I want to see like specific ingredients
Yeah.
or
I would even say a filter system, so then you can filter it that way. Maybe
yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense.
that way you don't have to write every specific thing, but
Yeah.
are doing
No, that
so.
makes more sense. Yeah, no, exactly.
What are we saying? Filter system?
Yeah.
Filter system. I think there was something to what you were saying too, Amy. Like, I think you'd want to see like an ingredients list in your search results.
Yeah,
Like-
exactly. Like if you're looking for something to say you have like beef that you want to cook with and you're searching just for that specific ingredient.
List.
Probably an order system too. So you can
Mhm.
order by recent or order it by most favorited or whatever.
Okay.
Did we want to include like dietary restrictions like vegetarian, um, that sort of thing?
Would it be like specialty requirements or something?
Um,
Would you just call it dietary requirements?
I don't know. I feel like we
Did we lose you? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, are you there?
Yeah. Are you able to hear me now?
I
Yeah,
can
we
hear you.
can.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, I was saying dietary restrictions.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, I think that's yeah.
I
Need
was just trying to think because I feel like we talked about it at the last meeting. I can't remember what terminology we used for it.
like the actual name.
Yeah,
Okay.
but dietary restrictions make sense.
I think we call it dietary specialists, which this is the same just for the specific thing. So I think that works.
Mhm.
Okay. Just getting that ready. Got any more? Search page.
Oh, did I lose you guys?
No, you're there. I can hear
I
it.
still hear you. Do we want to do search results like based on cuisine? Because that was kind of, I think, along the lines of the cultural
Yeah.
thing we're
Like
looking into somewhat.
cuisine. What would you call it?
I don't know if you want to say like cuisine preference or just even leave it at cuisine.
Yeah. Cuisine. Batches. How you guys feeling about that one?
Yeah, no, that works. We can always change it later on.
Moving on to the notes.
I saw Nahida said meal planner in the chat. Don't know if you caught that already.
Nope, I can't see. What was it? Sorry?
Meal planner.
Meal planner?
Mhm.
Sorry, I can't see the chat because I got the thing up, the screen share.
No, it's okay. I just ran away for like 10 seconds there, so I wasn't too sure if
All
someone
good.
happened to bring it up in those 10 seconds.
All good, Nahida. We got you. Or Amy got you anyway.
It's teamwork.
Okay. Notes. What do we got? So, as a chef, okay. Like to see feel like all these can be in like the same one almost. I'll search.
And Nahida said, as a chef, I want to plan my meals for the week and add recipes to a weekly planner so I can stay organized and prepare ahead of time.
See, Nahida, you'll be fine next week.
No, you don't know me.
You got it, man. You got it. So that's
I'm a scammer.
you'll be fine. Persistent. To have tailored for let's to see meals based dietary restrictions and cuisine preferences. Does that sound right?
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Okay. As long as you're on board, I'm a happy camper. Figure out how to get this box. Okay. Work business. Friends. What do you guys think? Oh, the ingredients list. Base. Maybe. That sound okay?
Yeah, no, that's good.
Okay.
And that
Like good for that one.
covers
No?
all of it. Yeah.
Nailed it.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's go with what else we gotta see in this bad boy? Okay. Moving down. Nope. Okay. Registration page, maybe?
Yeah.
Would this be specific to registration or would it be registration / login?
It could be both.
Yeah, I was gonna say you could probably do both for that one.
Login page. Not Joan. What do we want to see on the login page?
Guess it would just be all like the standard stuff.
Um, credentials.
Mhm.
I think credentials would work both for login and registration, right?
Yeah, it takes care of most
Mhm.
of it. Yeah. What else would you really see on there? It's like a navigation bar.
I don't know what else you'd really put on there.
Yeah, there's not a lot of.
We can leave it like that for now. And if we think of
Okay.
anything, just come back to it.
Yeah.
Good. I know this guy down a bit, so we got some room. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What do you guys think? Sure.
I guess this one's pretty straightforward. Just as a chef, I want to, I guess, register or log in just so that I can access the application or something like that.
Purely.
Yeah, that's good.
Reservedly. Terrible spelling.
Okay.
Is it Y? Or is there an E in there?
No, you got it.
Sometimes. Okay. Uh, so, see. Sure. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's good.
Do you guys think is there going to be any more pages than this? Yeah. Your home page, your search page, your registration page.
Did we decide like where you like submit recipes and whatnot?
Yeah, I was just
Yeah.
gonna mention that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one. what would you call it? Like recipe upload or something?
Yeah, or like submission page or something.
How about recipe management? So we so that we have all the adding, removing, sharing stuff in this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, that makes sense. Yeah, because like editing and whatnot as well.
Okay. And, okay. Got to connect this. Okay. What are we seeing on recipe management?
I guess like recipe submission, edit, the sharing.
Edit, share. Anything else?
Sahil, did you have any other ones to add to this?
No, I think that should be good. I mean, we could do recipe delete,
Which are?
like
Recipe
remove.
delete.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, delete.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
This is a good one. Okay. One of these is. The shit. One, two.
Yeah. Submit, edit, share, and delete recipes.
Submit. Edit. Oh, share and delete, right? Share. Delete. Da. Sound right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
All right. We feel good about that for pages.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep, it's good to me.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then we just need to do the admin then, I guess.
Yep. That should be a little quicker because they don't like to do much. Okay, let's get here. Okay. So that's the chef side. This is our admin side. Okay. So on the home page as a admin, what do we want to see?
I guess the first one would be the login.
Login.
Because I think the other stuff won't matter to admin, right?
No, they probably wouldn't care about most of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think we're good with login?
I guess, yeah. I can't think of anything else right now.
I was gonna say, is that all he would want for admin, or is it more like manage users, moderate recipe submissions?
Yeah, I think some of that.
I,
would
I
be good.
yeah, I just don't know what exactly you'd want for it.
Would that probably go like login for the home page and then go straight to like a user management page after that?
Yeah,
guess
that
so.
makes
Does
sense.
that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the chef though, what did we put login? Like what page did we put that on? I don't think we had it on homepage.
I would assume
Unless we
homepage.
did.
Well, I guess it depends. Like, would that be part of the navigation bar?
Yeah, that might be part of also
Yeah, we did. Yeah,
registration.
registration login page had its own thing.
Yeah, I think you'd probably see it on both pages, but we kind of covered it here, I guess. What do you
Yeah,
guys think?
I think you just go to it through the navigation bar and then
Mhm.
go to the page. to
It
log
goes right directly to here, right?
in. Yeah, that's what I imagine.
Yeah.
It's more of a link. Okay.
Yeah, I was more so just asking for like consistency.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
Nahida said some more stuff in chat.
Oh.
She said community / shared recipes, page setting, profile, feedback and support page. And then as an admin, I want to manage user accounts, create, update, delete, so I can keep the platforms secure.
Okay. That was all for admin, or that was some for the other one?
I believe that was for admin because she sent it like 2 minutes ago.
Okay.
I'm assuming.
As I guess just the admin. So that would probably be on the next page, though, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
As the admin, I want to be able to access the app through your okay. And
Oh, Nahida also said, as an admin, I want to track user activity, log in, save recipes, shares, so I can monitor engagement.
okay, that will probably be on this page.
Mhm.
Let's get a name for it first. What were we calling it? Like user
that-
management?
Yeah.
Management. Yeah, that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Able to What else do you guys think? Edit user profile. I guess you wouldn't really be editing their profile.
You could say user profile management. So that would guess include for the
Yeah.
first point itself.
Right.
For the first point itself, we
This
could
one here?
use
User profile.
so that would include like any changes made to user profile.
Mhm.
Um,
And then how about recipe management?
or
Would user activity fall into that, or would that be a different page?
user activity.
Yeah, because Nahida said like track user activity, so like logins, saved recipes, their shares, so you can monitor engagement.
Yeah, so it'd be user activity management.
Or
Yeah.
you yeah.
Or sorry, Seal, what were you gonna say?
I was thinking user logs.
User logs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if that makes sense.
That's good.
Yeah.
User log management. Yeah, stick with logs.
Yeah.
So here.
Yeah.
What else you guys think? Would it be would you put like updates? Or would that be more back end stuff?
Yeah, I'm not too sure where that would fall.
Yeah,
Or
I
like
would
back
think that's back end.
more
Probably.
back end, eh?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. I think, unless you guys can think of anything else on that guy.
Yeah, I think we're okay on that one for now.
Okay. Let's move on to the notes for you.
And since we have until the 13th, like if we think of anything else, are we able to still add it after the fact, like after the video, or does it need to all be
I think
recorded?
from what it seems like, you're allowed to touch it up a bit, but you're not allowed to like drastically like change the
Okay, that makes sense. No
frame of it, I
big
guess.
edits, yeah.
I guess you could always come back and re-record a little bit and like add it in if you wanted to.
I'm just thinking, just 'cause my brain is not really coming up with ideas right now.
Yeah, no, it happens. That's why we brainstorm.
Mhm.
Yeah. And I guess even if there are few changes later, I doubt he's going to see the whole video.
Yeah, no. I mean, if we make a change, we could always like just document it and just do a screenshot of what we change, right? I'm sure he'd be okay with
Yeah.
Yeah.
that. As a admin. All right. I remember Nahida had some stuff going on, so what is she? Can't read it. As an admin.
Sorry, so for the one, it was as an admin, I want to manage user accounts, create, update, delete, so I can keep the platform keep the platform secure. And then there's one other one.
Updates, deletes. platform secure.
Mhm.
What else
And
we got?
this, yeah, the second one she had was, as an admin, I want to track user activity, logins, saved recipes, shares, so I can monitor engagement.
Kind of, sort of.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. How do we feel about this?
So far, so good, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I can do some touch-ups just so I can import it into the document, but Yeah.
Were we wanting to stop here and maybe pick it up again another day, see if there's anything else, or just kind of,
absolutely. You're the boss.
just today, just today, just to be clear. I don't want that responsibility. So anyone else that has any input, please,
You did
more than
perfect.
welcome.
You're all good, Amy. I'm
Oh,
sure
I appreciate it.
Nahita's gonna crush it next week too.
Oh, absolutely, no doubt.
Right on.
I'm gonna miss it all.
What?
No, Nahida, you'll be great. Don't
That's all right.
worry.
I haven't stopped recording yet, so that's on recording, man. I got you. Sucker. Right on. All right, guys. Unless anyone has anything else, I'll stop this recording.
Yeah,
Cool.
I
I
think
think we're
we're
good.
good.